Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. So, if you want to AirDrop contact or photo on your iPhone, and you discover that the AirDrop is not working after turning it on, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to fix AirDrop not working on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and first turn on AirDrop. I just scroll down the control center. If the AirDrop is missing here on our setting, press the control center, click on add the control, then first search for AirDrop, and then add the AirDrop to your control center like this. You can even expand it to make it more visible to you, like this. Then go ahead, try to turn on the AirDrop by clicking on it and holding it, and make sure you turn on AirDrop for at least 10 minutes. Now, after turning on AirDrop, go ahead and try to see whether the AirDrop is working or not. If the AirDrop is not working, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and check your Wi-Fi settings. So go ahead, open settings on your iPhone, select Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi is disabled here, you should see AirDrop, AirPlay, notify when left behind, and improved location accuracy require Wi-Fi. So if AirDrop is not working on your iPhone, you need to check whether Wi-Fi is disabled. Even if you disable Wi-Fi here on your phone, then this is still not going to stop the AirDrop from working. So, but because you disable or turn off Wi-Fi on the Wi-Fi settings, this is going to stop the AirDrop from working. So if your iPhone AirDrop is not working, just go ahead, turn on Wi-Fi on the settings page, and after a couple of seconds, you should see the AirDrop working. And lastly, if this has to do with the iPhone operating system, then just go to your iPhone settings, click on General, click on Software Update, and then check for available software updates. Once your iPhone software update is up to date, then this should help you fix the AirDrop not working on your device. So that is basically how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.